Hi everyone, this is Kijimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor-based team of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. G.
Sa school ni Donnie.
Ay, ano to?
Nakabahan ako, hindi kita ka-work. Siyempre kasi meron na kaming,
Ah.
tawag doon, dynamics.
Si Donnie ba?
together. Pero I feel like it was very much
Buti na lang hindi
needed.
niya sinabi, meron na kaming relasyon. Charis, uy, asa na si Edmond? Hindi na nagko-comment si Edmond. Namimiss ko na si Edmond. Hindi kinaya ni Edmond ang powers natin.
Since he's doing Roja and I'm doing Meet, Greet, and Buy for this movie, parang it allowed us to grow more. We've spoken about showing support as long as it's for the growth of each other. And that's what I love about us is that we're really supportive of each other and we're very open about it. All the more I work with him, I can see more how dedicated he is with his work. Kitang-kita mo yung puso tuwing nagtatrabaho siya. Even up to that teaser, talagang he was so hands-on and he never fails to surprise me and us actually. Sa mga ideas niya, he never runs out of ideas. He's the most spontaneous person, you know. Naging blessing siya for me and blessing sa lahat ng supporters namin. Oh, he's so supportive. He really is. And I wouldn't be here without him, you know.
Ah!
Galing, no? And this idea is by Donnie. As in, siya yung
Uy, grabe
siya yung,
ah.
I remember he called me, sinabi niya sa akin, hey, I have an idea on how we can announce the movie. Nasa ano siya ngayon eh. Nasa ibang bansa siya ngayon eh. But he knows that, knows about the album.
It's about
What I
the
like
album.
about him, he's very thoughtful and super, if he has comments, super
Ano na Edmond?
well thought of
Charis.
talaga. So he's very insightful.
Mm.
Donnie and I nga sinasabi namin na parang, grabe no, like, ang dami na nating nagawang project and we're just so excited for this new chapter.
Feeling ka mag-shells.
Ay, kailan yung interview na to?
I'll know po once it's there. CGI? AI?
AI na raw ngayon.
Hindi, why not? I mean, if it's really for me, syempre, and I will do, I
Ang
feel like
ganda
I'm the
talaga ni
type of
Belle.
actor naman that will
No?
give my all to the role.
Give my
Ayan.
all.
And when it comes
Ready
to
na ba
music,
magpa-kiss?
syempre nakagawa ka
Charis.
na ng album. Narinig na ba ni Donnie itong mga songs mo?
Yes! Nasa ano siya ngayon eh. Nasa ibang bansa siya ngayon eh. So, siguro pagbalik niya, papaano ko sa kanya up. But he knows
So,
it,
magkikita
he
kayo.
knows about the
Ayaw ni
album.
Edmond yan.
May somehow ba
Asan na
may
si
fear?
Edmond?
Kasi
Hindi
siya,
kinaya
diba,
ni Edmond
naging
yung power
judge siya
natin.
ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
Oh.
O, diba?
Audition. Hindi naman. You know, he's, what I like about him, he's very thoughtful and super, if he has comments, super well thought of talaga. So, he's very insightful.
Kumakanta rin si Donnie, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, walang chance na mag-duet kayo?
Oo nga,
sa next-
gawa sila cover.
Well, so far, wala
Yung
pa
last
po
na cover
kaming
ni Belle,
napag-usapan. But maybe,
maybe
po
this
in the
time pa
future,
ata.
we can do a collaboration.
Ayun.
Sa movie, di ba? Sige po, sabi.
And project together, wala pa ring plano?
Saan?
Project together.
Meron sila.
We actually have po, tayo sa wakas.
Yes, ba yan
po.
ah?
Movie.
Sino
Yes,
nag-i-interview?
Coming. Okay, good luck, Belle.
Thank you so much po.
Sino
okay, ito na
nag-i-interview?
from online also. Thanks so much, Miss Janice. Netizens are excited for
Si
your
Miss
movie
Janice.
comeback. Ito na nga, speaking of movie comeback with Donnie. What type of Don Bell will
Ay,
people
ito na.
expect from this movie? Okay, sige, simulan na natin
Sige
yung
na, sige na, go.
pag-dive
Go, go,
sa
go,
tayo
go, go.
sa wakas. We've all seen the trailer na sobrang ganda. Doon na tayo sa
Ang
trailer.
ganda.
How was it
Sino ba
like
nakaisip nga?
returning
Actually,
to your
pinagsama-sama.
past, characters?
Characters.
Kasi binuhay niyo ulit,
Yes.
sinabing going Caroline and everyone. Ano, kamusta yung experience na yun?
That's actually the movie announcement that we're gonna do a comeback project together. Alam mo, nakakatuwa. Kasya pa sa akin yung uniform ko.
He's into her.
Ayun talaga yung una kong
So,
impression. Sabi ko, oh
tumaba
my
kami.
God. Even
Ikaw
Donnie was
ang
like, kasya pa
hindi.
sa yung ano mo. As in,
Ganun ba yun,
eksakto.
Belle?
Parang walang
Charing, charing lang.
Pero parang nung time na yun, syempre nag-flashback lahat, you know. Donnie and I nga sinasabi namin na parang, grabe no, like, ang dami na nating nagawang project and we're just so excited for this new chapter. And, we're, as in, sobrang nakakakaba and excite, syempre.
May iba ka ba bang pwede ikwento sa amin bukod dun sa uniform? Like, ano
Yes.
pa yung mga fun na memories shooting that movie announcement?
Our supporters are actually involved. Yes, kasama sila. Sila yung students, mga klase namin. Ang galing, no? And this idea is by Donnie. As in, siya yung siya yung,
Ano?
I remember he called me, sinabi niya sa akin, hey, I have an idea on how we can announce the movie. Tapos, as in, sobrang we were all so drawn to the idea. And we're really excited. Kasi ganda nung transition, ang ganda nung pagkaka-edit. Talagang roller
Alam mo,
coaster
namumangha
siya,
ako
di
sa
ba?
kanya pag
Saya-saya to sa
magsalita siya. Full of substance talaga siya. Sa totoo
At
lang.
talagang,
Yes.
ang galing pala ni Donnie mag-marketing, no?
Ang galing niya.
Na-curious lahat na parang, ay, oo nga, no? Tsaka parang biglang nabalik kami dun sa journey nyo bilang Don Bell. Tapos, oo nga, ano na ba tong next? Ano tong tayo
Yes.
sa wakas? So, doon na tayo pumunta. What can
Tayo
you
sa
share
wakas.
with us as of now tungkol sa tayo sa wakas?
Sino naman to? Ay, hello. Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa mga edits ng Don Bell. I love it. I love it.
Kasi
Okay.
willing na akong i-give up lahat.
Ay, oh my God, acting skills.
Lahat para hindi kita iiwan. Para hindi
The
na ako
acting
malayo sa'yo. Kalimutan ko yung Singapore. Kasi di ba magiging worth it naman lahat?
Oh my God. Eto na, pinagsama-sama lahat ng character. I love it. I love the edits, ha? Wala talagang kupas ang Don Bell, no? Parang they're always, relevant. Relevant talaga sila. As always. Okay.
Nung
Ay.
namatay ang nanay mo, wala ako.
Oh, I watched this. I watched this.
Sa lahat ng panahon na gusto kitang
I
makasama.
watched this.
Gusto kitang makasama, mayakap.
Namatay pala yung mama ni Belgian. Akala ko magkakapatid silang lahat. Nang napanood ko na lang sa Netflix, doon ko nalaman na anak pala siya.
Ma, una, asan siya? Pangalawa, bakit siya?
Congrats on your graduation. What are your plans now?
Inis ako kung sino yung girlfriend ni
Padalingin si Mama.
Diretsuhin niyo ako.
Na tayo magsisihan?
Curious ako kung sino yung nanay nila dito at girlfriend ni Piolo.
Kasi ako, ayoko siyang mawala.
How was
Kasi
work?
sa story, parang hindi na-tackle, no? Kung bakit siya nabaon sa utang doon. Tama ba?
Bakit pa tinatanong?
Still mad at me.
Ako? Galit?
Mm. Ay, napanood natin yan eh. Ay, anyway, so that's all for today's video. We're done that compilation. This is K-pop Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!